Shortened dictation for practice. Start. Change in the characteristics of our environment, such as air, water, and land, that are unacceptable, is called environmental pollution. These changes affect the plants, insects, birds, animals, and human health. Pollution arises due to the increased quantity of waste released into environment beyond certain permissible limit. The waste is a byproduct of a use of natural resources. Waste turns into pollutant after certain extent and damage the environment. Therefore, it may be concluded that our use of natural resources leads to pollution. Modernization, industry, machines, and transport have speeded up the consumption of all natural resources. The resultant pollution has affected air, water, soil, and life on earth chemically, physically, and as far as human beings are concerned, even psychologically also. Our world today is affected by different kinds of pollutions like air, water, soil, noise pollutions, and heat radiation are result of speedy consumption of natural resources. Depending on the form of matter, if there is smoke in air, it is air pollution. When water changes its color, taste, and gets dirty, we call it water pollution. If soothing sounds of music turns cacophonous and became unbearable, we call it as noise pollution or sound pollution. When heaps of non degradable solid waste gets accumulated, it leads to soil pollution. Accumulation of some salts, acids also leads the soil to lose fertility.